If you are a NEET aspirant in Maharashtra or want to secure an MBBS seat in Maharashtra, this is the right video for you, because I'm going to give you the top 15 private medical colleges which will help you achieve your dream of becoming the doctor. Now, please watch the video till the end, because I don't want you to miss any of these colleges in the choice filling during your MBBS NEET 2025 counseling. So, this is your Captain Shreyas, your physics master teacher, training kids for more than 13 years and sending the kids into their dream colleges. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to the Vedantu NEET English channel, please do that so that you do not miss out on all this critical information, and smash the like button if you are looking for the seat this year, so that we can make more and more counseling videos just for you. Starting off with the rank analysis, which is an important factor in deciding which colleges you should apply, because last year there was rank inflation. So you can see a good difference of scores for the same rank. Like for 50,000 rank, last year you would need 625. This year it's 500 approx. 1 lakh rank, last year 580 marks. This year it's 464. Now the difference is higher for the top ranks, but as you go low, then everything gets crowded. So the difference is not much. It's around 60 marks to 70 marks. So depending on where your rank lies, subtract in the range of 100 to 120 marks on the higher side, and on the lower side, you might have to subtract around 60 to 80 marks. I hope that is absolutely clear. Okay, take a screenshot of it, because I'm going to give you just cutoffs and then we will do the analysis for the current year. Now, the first number one college, I hope you all like the video, guys. Just reminding you, the first college, KJ Somaiya Medical College, it's in Mumbai, started in 1991. The fees is around 12.5 lakh. Management fees is obviously on the higher side, which is a paid seat. Okay, so that's around 36 lakhs. The general category score cutoff is 643. Okay, because the number of seats are barely 100, and that's how the colleges are. So 643 last year would be around 510 to 530 marks this year. Okay, keep that in mind. These are the scores last year. Same way I have given it for the other categories. So depending on your category, you will be able to choose, what seat you might get or what college you might get. Roughly reduce 100 marks to 110 marks on the higher side. Next one, the Terra Medical College in Thane. Thane is again close to Mumbai only. So 150 seats, 13.5 lakh rupees fees, and around 50 lakhs for the management quota. Ranking is also decent. General category 624. That means this year you will need around 500 score to get into this college. Next one in Nashid, the Vasantrao Pawar Medical College. Fees around 14 lakhs, but for management quota above 40 lakhs. General category 617. That means this year you will need 490 to 510 marks so that you might get into this college. Other categories also I have mentioned. Remember, all these are private colleges. Obviously, the government colleges will be slightly on the higher side. Now, the next one is Kasiba Nawale Medical College. It's in Pune, 150 seats, 14 lakhs roughly fees per year, and you have 42 lakhs fees, for the management quota side. Now, if you talk about the general category cutoff, 625 last year. So this year it will be close to 500 to 510. Other categories also I have mentioned over here. Okay, even for other categories, you will have to reduce around 100, 110 marks on the higher side, and on the lower side, 60 to 80 marks. If you go to the Jalgaon College, you have the Dr. Ulhas Patel Medical College. It started recently, 2008. 200 seats are there, 7 lakh, slightly affordable, 35 lakhs management fees, and you have the general category around 610. That means this year around 480 to 500 score. Okay, that's what you can expect. Next one, you have the Mimar Medical College in Pune, 150 seats with 11 lakhs 90,000 close to fees in the open, and around 50 lakhs for the management quota. General category cutoff 617. That means this year again 490, 500 should be the range of the cutoff marks. Then you have the MIMSR Latur Medical College, started in 1990, 150 seats, close to 10 lakh fees per year, and 44 lakhs management quota fee. General category 602. That means in this year the range will be around 480, 490, around that range. Okay, you will most likely get. Then you have the Ashwini Medical College in Solapur. Okay, 2012, recently established, 100 seats, close to 10 lakh fees, 30 lakhs for management roughly. General category 602. That means this year again around 480, 490 marks, you might get it easily. Okay. So accordingly, please fill it up. Don't miss out these colleges just because you have marks in the range of 400s or maybe 500s. Next, the Dr. Panchibra Memorial Medical College in Amravati, 150 seats, around 10 lakh fees, 30 lakhs close to management fees, general category 601. So again, 480, 490 range is what you can expect for this year's course cutoff. Then in the Nagpur, you have the NKP Salve Medical College, established 1990, 200 seats, close to 39.5 lakh fees per year, and management quota on and upwards 46 lakhs. General category 603. That means this year the cutoff will be again in the range of 480, 490 range. Ranking 46 in Maharashtra. Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patel Foundation Medical College. Now, started in 2003, 200 seats, 13.5 lakh fees, and 46 lakhs management quota. General category 601. That means again close to 480, 490 marks is what you can expect this year's cutoff to be. In Ratnagiri, it's on the western coast, the BKL Wadala Medical College, 150 seats, close to 10.5 lakh fees, and 32 lakhs close to management quota. 600 is the last year's cutoff marks wise. This year, again around 480 marks, 490 marks might be the cutoff in the general category. Other categories also I have mentioned. So maybe even in 400 or 300s range, you might get it this year. So that might be a good news for many of you. In Dhule, right, ACPM Medical College, you have 1990 established 100 seats, 8.5 lakh, slightly better fees, but management on the upward side of 41 lakhs. And general category 600, that means this year again 480, 490 range, ranking 42 in Maharashtra. In Nasik, you have one more college, SMBT, Institute of Medical Sciences, 100 seats, 8.5 lakh close to fees in the open category, 41 lakhs and upwards in the management quota. If you talk about the general category cutoff 600, that means again 480, 490 marks will be needed. Okay. Just because I'm saying 480, 490, even if you have 470, just apply and kick, you never know. Sometimes you might get through. Okay. Sometimes things might change slightly here and there. So always, whenever you're on the borderline, take your chance, don't give up and don't lose hope. So these were the top colleges in Maharashtra. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a lot. And please do not miss out, no matter which city, which state you are in, because you never know, you might get it in all India quota. Especially if you are in the state, there are higher chances of you getting through. Okay. All the very best. Which other colleges, which other opportunities are you looking for? Do let me know in the comment section. And thank you for liking. Bye bye. Captain Shreyas signing off.